Hey everyone, welcome to New Wave Cooking, a zero-waste online cooking school by me, Chef Joe. In this week's zero-waste cooking class, we'll make some raw pumpkin salad with raisins, and after there will be some pasta with kale pesto, caramelized nuts and burrata. It's gonna be delicious. This week we'll use the whole kale, even with the stem for the pesto, and I will make a video for you so you can roast the peel of the pumpkin and the seeds afterwards on your own, so you can get the most out of your vegetables. Join me in this week's online cooking class to prepare this wonderful dish live with me. Let's ride the wave! This part here, this flesh part, you can use for some soup or for some hummus or something like that. Those brown bits are so much tasty. Get them over there. Here is a zero waste tip. I just browned some butter in this pan and now I'm going to use it for the pasta butter to cook. Also, the pasta won't stick together because of the butter in the water.